Alright guys, first order of business. Let's talk about notes and nuances. I left us kind of hanging, so where we're going to go from here is we're going to go base note is the inhale, and then on the exhale we're going to call the top note the nasal exhale, and the bottom note is going to be the mouth exhale. So from there on out we know what we're talking about, and you guys know what I'm talking about. So now I want to talk about heat. So heat affects flavor, and it affects different flavors differently. So your fruity flavors are going to come out better in a lower heat setting than, say, your creams and your chocolates. Why? Why is that? Okay, let's look at real life scenarios. Let's look at, say, a cocktail. Say you're drinking a mojito. Mojito's going to have ice in it. It's going to be cold. Same thing with watermelon. You don't want to have a warm watermelon on a hot summer day. You're going to have a nice cool slice of watermelon. So these flavors are going to be best at a cooler temperature. And then if we go to, let's say, anything, you have a chocolate-filled croissant or some kind of pastry. It's going to be best served warm, at least room temperature, and warmer than, say, your watermelon or your mojito have you. And then let's go into like the coffee flavors and the chocolate flavors. When you drink a coffee, when you drink a hot chocolate, what is it? It's hot. It's hot, right? So your flavors, those type of flavors, will be better at a hotter temperature. So for instance, when I'm vaping, let's say, a strawberry cream, which there's a lot of them out there, you're going to have, at the lower temperature, you're going to taste more strawberry than you will cream. As you do a higher temperature, you're going to taste more cream over the strawberry. So one thing I'm incredibly excited about is the PVA 40 coming out. Why? Because of the temperature control. So we're going to be able to actually dial in our temperature and dial in what flavors are best at what temperatures. And I think we can all kind of collaborate on this and do this together as a family project. And it would be cool to one day see on a label, a juice label, best vaped at so many, so and so degrees Fahrenheit, and we're just going to be able to take advantage of our flavors better, and be a little more educated on what we're vaping and why. So if you have a variable device, start playing around with it. Start playing around with your coils, hotter, cooler coils for different flavors. And definitely jump on this PVA 40 thing. We're definitely going to do some cool things with it. So until next time, guys, remember, flavor's not subjective, but your opinion is. Thank you.